How to set up Google Authenticator app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator app in your device. So let's dive right into it and get started with the setting up incredibly useful Google Authenticator app. So first thing first, make sure that you have gone ahead and downloaded the Google Authenticator app from the Play Store in your device. And once you have successfully installed it, go ahead and launch the app. From there, proceed to log in using your email credentials and then click on the option that says Add a code. At this point, you have the choice to either scan a QR code or manually enter a setup key. Next, head over to the Authenticator app of your choice, for example, let's say Instagram. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Then after go to Account Settings and look at the section for the password and security, and then activate two-factor authentication. From the options provided, select the Authentication app and make sure to carefully copy the unique QR code or key that is generated. Now return to the Google Authenticator app, input the setup key along with the account name, and once you have filled in the necessary details, simply tap on Add button. Congratulations, you have now successfully completed the setup process for the Authenticator app on your account. If you have found this tutorial beneficial, kindly ensure to express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.